Hello student, today we will discuss a very interesting topic, that is conservation of water or water harvesting, water rain harvesting of chapter 14. So let's discuss one by one. So how can we conserve water? So these are the steps to conserve water. The first one is, before discussing conserve water, we just think why it's important for us to conserve water is only a small fraction of water available on the earth is fit for use by human beings, animals and plants, and this available in rivers, lake, pond as underground groundwater. The water available for our use is very limited and it is decreased day by day due to overusage. For example, if we will use a large amount of water day by day, what happens? It decreases the amount of water. To conserve water means to save water by using it carefully, wisely, and by preventing its wastage. So we should always remember that water should be conserved by carefully, wisely, and by preventing its wastage. So here we can see these are the 4 steps to conserve water indoor. First one is turn off faucet while brushing teeth. यानी कि you have to close the tap while brushing your teeth, even bathing. Take a shorter shower. Okay. Fix the leakage in faucet. टैप में जो भी आपका जो लीकेज हो रहा है, you should fix it. Only wash the full loads. Now, the various ways to conserve water or minimize the wastage of water at home are: turn off the tap immediately after use. You should turn off that water. Get leaking tap required immediately. Okay, so you should repair the tap if you see that your tap is leaking. Take bath by filling water in a bucket and not directly under the running tap. Okay, so you should fill the water in a bucket and not directly under the running tap. Use the water from washing rice, vegetables, fruits for watering the plant at home. For example, like if I'm washing the rice, then the water of that remaining water which we left after the washing, you should put that water into the plant so that plant can easily grow. Do not use a full flush for the stains in the toilet when a half flush is sufficient. So we can see here these are the steps to conserve water, like turn it off your tap, fix the leaking tap, take a bucket while bathing. Okay, recycling the water, like आप वापस से उसका यूज़ करना. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने पानी को राइस में धोया, राइस का जो पानी बचा उसको मैंने यूज़ किया फॉर इन वाटर इन प्लांट्स. Now come to the rainwater harvesting. The activity, it's rainwater harvesting is an activity of collecting rainwater directly and store it in a big tanks for later use, or making the rainwater percolate into ground more efficiently to recharge the groundwater, called rainwater harvesting. मतलब अब आप उस पानी को कलेक्ट करोगे, स्टोर करोगे इन टैंक में, और यू कैन percolate into ground so that it's balance the water on the ground. So we have 2 techniques to for the rainwater harvesting. The first one is collection and storage of rainwater in a tanks for future use when there is a scarcity of water. The second one is to make rainwater percolate into the ground more efficiently by constructing percolate pits and recharge wells so as to recharge the groundwater. So first is technique is you have to collect the water, rainwater, and put it into the tank. And second one is just store the rainwater in a pit or a well. Thank you so much for today.